Now that we've done the finish sanding, we're ready to apply the finish. And the finish that I'm going to use is a product made by Mylands. It's a sanding sealer, and it's intended to seal the pores. I'll use it not only as a sanding sealer, but also as a top coat. And the first application is going to be with the lathe turned off. You want to make sure that you shake it up good. And we're going to work it in the grain good without the lathe rotating. It will soak up quite a bit of this finish. I'm not going to worry about finishing the very bottom yet. We'll do that a bit later on. Want to rub it in good. Make sure that the pores get sealed off well. And then also that we take off the excess from the surface.